Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy A37 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with finding and opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find apps. Let's tap. Then we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Special Access. Here, let's scroll and find Install Unknown Apps. And right here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, we can change it. So let's pretend I'd like to download the app from a website from Chrome. So all we have to do is to find it in the list and tap on the switcher next to it. And from now on, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility, third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. You can either do it manually just by tapping on those switchers or simply tap on Deny All. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.